Okay, so now we're going to show you how you can rack and re-rack the bar when you're in the squat rack, because I know it can be quite intimidating. So what you can do when you come to the bar, obviously let's pretend I'm going for a squat now. I need it to be up here, but it just looks intimidating to start moving around. What you do, take the bar off, you don't need it yet. From here, I like to change and move the arms. So if I was to push them out and take them out, plug it up to where it's going to be shoulder height. So for me, I'm just going to plug it on this one, and then I'm going to lower it. So I'm a short ass, so I'm gonna go one more. I go here. And then if I come out, exactly the same. So I should be even. Perfect, okay. Start them out, lift them in. Okay, it should be shoulder height. Now what I was trying to do before is, if I go one too high, I'm gonna struggle to take it off. So sometimes, even though it's borderline where you need it to be, you might have to go one lower. So like right now, look, my shoulder's just above it. But if I go to the next one, I'll struggle to get it off. So just come down one. You ready to go?